Hello everyone, this is your Vandini Sharma. Welcome back to my channel BMB Tutorial. So in last session we have discussed question number 1 to question number 4 of exercise 7.2, and in today's session we are going to discuss next further question of same exercise. Okay, so let's start it. So question number 5 is ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. Show that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Okay, so in this question the figure is this, in which you have given two triangles sharing same base, means here ABC is one isosceles triangle in which the equal sides are AB and AC. Okay, and second triangle is BCD that also have two equal sides BD and CD. Okay, but these two triangles are on the same base BC, मीन्स इनकी जो थर्ड साइड है वो क्या है, सेम है. ठीक है, हॉरिजॉन्टल है तो इस साइड को हम क्या कंसीडर कर रहे हैं, बेस. सो बेस यहाँ पर क्या है, BC. दोनों ट्राइंगल के लिए BC बेस है, दोनों ही ट्राइंगल की BC क्या है, साइड है. ओके, तो अब इस क्वेश्चन में आपको शो क्या करना है कि एंगल ABD मीन्स दिस एंगल is equal to angle ACD. ओके, इन दो एंगल्स को आपको इक्वल प्रूव करना है. ओके, इक्वल शो करना है. तो देखिए इन ट्राइंगल ABC, in triangle ABC, that is an isosceles triangle. Okay, AB equals to AC. Why? Because triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, that's why AB equals to AC. Now we have read theorem related to isosceles triangle. What it is? The angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Means the angle opposite to side AB का opposite angle इस triangle ABC में क्या है, angle ACB. Okay, so angle ACB that will equal to the angle opposite to side AC, means this side. So opposite of this side the angle is ABC, angle ABC. Okay, why? Because angles, these are the angles opposite to equal sides. Okay, that's why angles will be equal. Give this as equation number 1. Okay, now see in triangle BCD. Now we will consider triangle BCD. Same here, the sides BD equals to CD. BD equals to CD. Why? Because BCD is an isosceles triangle. Okay, now according to the property of an isosceles theorem that we have proved in previous session, the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So the angle opposite to side BD is angle BCD. Okay, that will equal to the angle opposite to side CD, that is angle CBD. Okay, these are the angles opposite to equal sides. Equal sides के opposite angles भी क्या होते हैं, equal होते हैं. Okay, give this as equation number 2. equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay, So on adding these equation 1 and 2. So when we add two equation, the right hand side of one equation is added to right hand side of another equation. Okay, so here the left hand side, these sides will be add up and these two sides will be add up. So angle ACB plus angle BCD, that will equal to angle ABC plus angle CBD. ओके, इन दोनों इक्वेशन को हमने क्या किया, ऐड कर दिया. ऐड करेंगे तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड किस से ऐड होगा और राइट हैंड साइड से ऐड होगा. सो ACB प्लस BCD दैट विल इक्वल टू, एक एक्सियम में हमने 5th चैप्टर यूक्लिड ज्योमेट्री में पढ़ा था कि अगर इक्वल्स में इक्वल ऐड किए जाएं तो भी वो क्या रिजल्ट में आपको इक्वल ही मिलता है. मीन्स इक्वल एडेड टू इक्वल्स we get equal in result. Okay, so same is applying here. So now see ACB plus BCD. ACB plus BCD is what? This angle ACD. So we can write in place of this angle ACD. That will equal to angle ABC plus angle CBD, means angle ABD. Okay, so same we have to show here. Okay, or we can write angle ABD is equals to angle ACD. Okay, तो एक ये वे है, इस तरीके से भी हम कर सकते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को. एक दूसरा वे और है, उसमें आपको क्या करना है, एक कंस्ट्रक्शन करनी है. आपको क्या करना है, ACDB और भी किसे ABDC is a quadrilateral. Okay, here BC is one of its diagonal, and if we join A to D, then this is also a diagonal of this quadrilateral ABDC. Okay, now we have to prove what, this angle B is equals to angle C. Now we have to consider these two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle ACD, in which one this side, one pair of this side equal, and one more pair of this side equal, and this is the common side between these two triangles. So by SSS congruency criteria, these two triangles will be congruent. Okay, now the remaining parts of these triangles or corresponding parts of these triangles will also be equal. So here this angle will be equal to this angle. So in this way we can also solve this question. Okay, so in both way you can solve this question. Okay, now question number 6 is, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equals to AC. Side BA is produced to D such that AD equals to AB. Now show that angle BCD is a right angle. Okay, so in this question you have given an isosceles triangle ABC. Initially you have given an isosceles triangle ABC in which the sides AB and AC are equal sides. Okay, when this side AB is produced to a point D such that AB equals to AD. Okay, AB equals to AD. This much you have given in this question. Now what we have to prove? Angle BCD means this angle is a right angle. Okay, तो हमें इस क्वेश्चन में क्या दिखाना है कि BCD is a right angle, means this angle is of measurement 90 degree. Okay, so see here, since in this triangle ABC, in triangle ABC the sides AB and AC are equal, means the angle opposite to these sides will also be equal. Means AC के opposite angle क्या है, ये, and AB के opposite angle ये है. Okay, suppose if we take this angle as x, so this will also be x. Okay, now we have given AB equals to AD. जब हमने AB को प्रोड्यूस किया D पॉइंट तक, तो AD क्या है, AB के इक्वल है. मीन्स दिस साइड इज इक्वल टू दिस साइड, एंड वी हैव गिवन दिस साइड इज इक्वल टू दिस साइड. मीन्स AB इज इक्वल टू AC. इट मीन्स AD विल ऑल्सो बी इक्वल टू AC. ये दोनों साइड्स भी क्या होंगी, आपस में इक्वल होंगी. देन in triangle ADC these two sides are equal. It means here forming ADC is an isosceles triangle, okay, in which the sides AD and AC are equal. It means the property of an isosceles triangle, okay, that we have proved in previous session. Okay, what angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. So the angle to this side is this, and the angle opposite to this side AD is this. Okay, now see, okay, now see how will we write this. See, in triangle ABC, AB equals to AC. Why? Isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, and this one also we have given. Okay, so angle opposite to side AB is angle ACB. That will equal to the angle opposite to side AC, means angle ABC. Okay, why? Because these angles are opposite to equal sides. Okay, ये एंगल्स क्या हैं, इन साइड्स के ऑपोजिट हैं, तो ये भी आपस में इक्वल होंगे. ओके, now see, if we take ACB as x, ABC will also be x, so we will write this as. If we take, suppose ACB is x, then ABC will also be x. Now see, since AD equals to AB, okay, AD equals to AB, and from here AB equals to AC, AB equals to AC. That means, that implies AD equals to AC. Okay, AD AB के इक्वल है और AB किसके इक्वल है, AC के. इसका मतलब AD and AC will also be equal. Okay, so now the angles opposite to this side will also be equal. So in triangle ADC, AD equals to AC. Okay, that's why angle opposite to AD is angle ACD will equal to angle opposite to side AC, ADC. These will also be equal. ठीक है, यहाँ पर क्या निकल के आ रहा है, AD equals to AC, AD equals to AC, and AD and AC are the sides of triangle ADC. That's why ADC triangle will be an isosceles triangle, because there are two equal sides in this triangle. Okay, so the angles opposite to these sides also be equal. So angle ACD equals to angle ADC. Okay, so suppose this angle ACD and ADC are equal to y. Okay, दोनों ही एंगल्स क्या हैं, इक्वल हैं. तो सपोज हमने लेट किया कि ये एंगल क्या है, y है, इसका मेजरमेंट y है, तो ये भी y होगा. ठीक है, अब देखिए, since DCB is a triangle, okay, so by angle sum property, the sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180, okay. So right here, by angle sum property, angle DBC plus angle BCD plus angle CDB will equal to 180, okay. The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. Now see, angle DBC, if we say DBC or ABC, that is same. So here we have taken angle B as angle X plus now angle BCD. You can see this angle C is made up of two angles. One is ACB and another is ACD, means X plus Y. If we take this whole, so in terms of these values X and Y, this angle C will be X plus Y, okay. So we will write here angle BCD as X plus Y, okay. Now angle CDB, that is Y, so it equals to 180. Now see, there are two X and there are two Y, means we will write it as X plus X is what? 2X plus Y is 2Y, that will equal to 180 degree, okay. Now you can see 2 is common in these two terms, okay, so we will take it out. So 2X plus Y will equal to 180, okay. Now if you transpose this to right hand side, so we will left with X plus Y equals to 180 divided by 2, means 90, okay. So X plus Y is 90 degree. Now see, X plus Y is nothing but the angle BCD, because BCD is made up of two angles, one is X and another is Y. So the sum of X plus Y will be the angle BCD, okay. So we can write here in the place of X plus Y angle BCD, okay, that is 90 degree. The same we have to show here, okay. Angle BCD is 90 degree. Now question number 7 is ABC is a right angled triangle in which angle A is 90 degree and AB equals to AC. Then find angle B and angle C, okay. So in this question you have given a right angle triangle at angle A. So here ABC is a right angle triangle at angle A. One more thing you have given in this triangle, the sides AB and AC as equal sides, means these two sides AB is equal to AC, okay. Now you have to find angle B and angle C, okay. So see here, one angle is 90 degree, okay, and two sides of this triangle are equal, means this is also an isosceles triangle, okay. So the angles opposite two sides will be equal, okay. Suppose this angle is X, so then this angle will also be X, because these angles are opposite to equal sides, okay. So see here, in triangle ABC, AB equals to AC. Why? This we have given. So it implies what? Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, okay. So angle opposite to these sides will also be equal. So angle opposite to side AB is what? Angle C. Okay, and angle opposite to side AC is angle B. Okay, so angles opposite to equal sides are equal. ओके ये जो दो साइड्स आपको इस ट्राइंगल की इक्वल दे रखी हैं, तो ये दोनों एंगल्स क्या हैं? इन साइड्स के ऑपोजिट एंगल्स हैं. साइड्स इक्वल हैं, दैट मीन्स देयर ऑपोजिट एंगल्स विल ऑल्सो बी इक्वल. ओके, नाउ सी we have to find here angle B and angle C. So as we know, the sum of all the three angles in a triangle is 180. So we will write by angle sum property for a triangle. What? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180. Okay, so here angle A is 90 degree plus angle B we have taken as X plus angle C, that will also be X, equals to 180. Okay, so if we transpose this 90 to this side, so we will get X plus X is what? 2X. So that will equal to 180 minus 90 means 90 degree. Okay, so 2x will be equal to 90. So from here x will be 90 upon 2 means 45. Okay, so here angle B, that we have taken as x, and it's also equal to C, so that is coming out as 45 degree. Okay, so this is our answer. So whenever in a right angle triangle two sides are equal, it means one angle is of 90 degree, then other two angles will be of 45 degree. Okay, you can remember this also. So this was your question number 7. Now question number 8 is, show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. Okay, so इस क्वेश्चन में आपको क्या करना है कि एक इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल आपको दे रखा है और उसमें आपको क्या शो करना है कि इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल का हर एक एंगल 60 डिग्री का होता है. ओके, एंड यू ऑल्सो हैव रेड दिस अबाउट इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल, दैट in equilateral triangle all the three sides are equal to each other, and also each angle of this triangle is of 60 degree, that we will prove here. Okay, so see, suppose ABC is an equilateral triangle, so the sides AB, BC and AC are equal to each other. Okay, suppose the angle A is X. Okay, suppose this angle A is X. Now see, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, if these two sides AB equals to AC, AB equals to AC, if we consider these two sides as equal sides, then the angles opposite to these sides will be equal. Okay, so AB equals to AC, so this implies what? The angle opposite to AB, that is angle C, will equal to the angle opposite to AC, that is angle B. Okay, why? These are the angles opposite to equal sides. Okay, name this as equation number 1. Now consider, suppose these two sides, if we consider AC and BC, so these sides are also equal. AC equals to BC. Okay, here at a time we are going to take two sides. Okay, एक टाइम में हम दो साइड्स की बात कर रहे हैं. पहले हमने क्या किया, इन दो साइड्स को लिया, AB और AC को. तो इनके जो ऑपोजिट एंगल है, AC का ऑपोजिट एंगल B है और AB का ऑपोजिट एंगल C है, तो ये दोनों एंगल्स भी आपस में इक्वल होंगे. इसको हमने इक्वेशन नंबर 1 दे दिया. अब देखिए, अब हमने दूसरा पेयर साइड्स का लिया है, AC और BC की बात कर रहे हैं. सो AC इक्वल्स टू BC बिकॉज ऑल द थ्री साइड्स आर इक्वल. सो एट अ टाइम वी कैन टेक टू sides. Okay, now the angle opposite to side AC is angle B and angle opposite to side BC, that is angle A. Okay, will equal. So angles Y, these are the angles opposite to equal sides. Okay, so name this equation as equation number 2. Now compare these two equations. Since angle B is equals to angle C and angle B is also equals to angle A, it means angle A will equal to angle C. Okay, so you will write here from equation 1 and 2, angle A will equal to angle B will equal to angle C. Okay, so angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C. Here we have taken angle A as X, then angle B and then angle C will also be X. Okay, let कर लिया. Now see what we have to prove. Angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C equals to 60 degree, means each angle will be of 60 degree. So we know that the angle sum property of a triangle, the sum of all the angles of a triangle is what? 180. So using angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that will equal to 180 by angle sum property. Okay, since all the angles are equal. Okay, so as we have taken angle A, B, C as X, so we will put here the value of these angles. So in place of angle A we will write X, same in place of B as X, in place of C X, that is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so X plus X plus X means 3 times X, so 3X is equals to 180. Okay, so from here X will be 180 divided by 3 means 60 degree. So here we are getting the value of X as 60. It means, and X what we have, let angle A, B and C. So angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C will equal to 60 degree. ओके, क्या किया इस क्वेश्चन में, हमें इतना पता है कि ABC क्या है, इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल है. ओके, इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल है, इट मीन्स ऑल द थ्री साइड्स विल बी इक्वल. सो एट अ टाइम वी हैव टू टेक टू साइड्स. तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टेकन साइड्स AC and AB. Okay, so if we take two sides as equal sides at a time, then it will be considered as an isosceles triangle. Okay, so the angles opposite to these sides will be equal. So from here angle C equals to angle B. We have named this equation as 1. Okay, now in second time we are taking these two sides as equal sides. So again we are getting ACB as an isosceles triangle. So the angles opposite to these sides will be equal. So from here we are getting angle B equals to angle A and named this as equation number 2. Okay, so if we compare equation number 1 and 2, we are getting what, कि these three angles are equal to each other. Okay, so we have let here the value of each angle as x because we don't know, so we can represent these angles as an variable. Okay, as a variable, so we have taken as x. Now we know that the sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180, so we have done same, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180. So in place of all the angles we have taken variable that we have let. Okay, so x plus x equals to 180. So here the x is 3 times, so 3 times of x equals to 180. So here we are getting the value of x as 60 degree. It means all the angles, interior angles of a triangle are of 60 degree in case of an equilateral. So in this statement we also have to remember that in an equilateral triangle every angle is equal to each other and also of measurement 60 degree. Okay, so that's all for today's session, in which we have discussed question number 5 to question number 8, right? So if you have any query, doubt related to these questions, can ask on comment section. And in my next upcoming session we are going to discuss some more congruency criteria, that is in introduction part of exercise 7.3. Okay, so till then keep watching my channel. Thank you.